y'all? It is your girl Shanetta Mo, and in today's video I will be showing you all how I got this lit perm rod set. If y'all want to look fine like me, and if y'all want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Okay, y'all, so let's get right into the video. Before we get into the video, y'all, if y'all see like these red marks all over my face, I am allergic to seafood, and I touched a piece of salmon, and next thing you know, I wept up everywhere, whatever. So it's kind of going down, but that's what's on my face. So, let's get into the FlexiRods that I will be using. I will be using the purple ones, which is kind of like a, I guess this would be considered medium size, which I probably use for like the back in the middle. These I'm going to use, which are the green ones. These are the small ones. I'm going to use these for the front, which makes it a tighter curl. That way I don't have to pin anything up. My curls are already really pretty. And then I got these jumbo ones. I think I'm going to use these maybe for like the nape of my neck. I don't know. I think if I need these, I'll use these. I'm not sure that I'll need these, so I just got these just in case. I am going to be using the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Coconut Cream Recipes, the Buttercream Intensive Moisture Sealant. I don't remember where I got this from, but I think it was like $6 or $7. Walmart have it, Target have it. If you have a Sally's Beauty Supply, Sally's have it. I got my dimming brush. Okay, so my hair is blown out. I think I want to just take my fingers and section my hair off. I'm going to use my silk ponytail holder. Just kind of section my hair off, I guess. Just want to section it off. Y'all see how much my hair has grown? My hair is really long, y'all. So then we just got this back, which is like this. I'm just gonna go straight into it. So I'm just gonna take a little piece, and because I want my hair to fall a specific way, I am not going to use like a comb or anything. I don't want it to be like parted out or nothing like that, so I'm not going to do that. Let me get this out the way so y'all can see on this side. I put my mirror in front of me. So I'm gonna start with like, I guess this is kind of a small section. Do I want to start with a bigger section? I can add a little more hair to this. I'm gonna do medium sections because I don't want to be doing this all night. So we're gonna do medium sections, something like this. I'm going to take some of the buttercream now, maybe about this much, and we don't want the hair to revert back. So if you're gonna do it on like dry hair, you want to put enough cream in it, but you don't want the hair to revert back. Always remember that. We don't want the hair to revert back. And then I'm just going to take my dimming brush and kind of comb it through. And then I'm going to take a little more cream and just put on the ends of my hair. And I'm using this for the ends because the ends is what we'll need to wrap around the FlexiRod, right? We need the ends to be slick and secure. I do have a comb as well, just to kind of get the product through. And I'm going to take a purple FlexiRod. Can y'all see? You want to take the ends and lay it across the FlexiRod like this. Hold on, wait. You want to take the ends and kind of smooth it around the FlexiRod. You want it smooth. Hopefully you can see. And then I'm just going to, you want it real flat. And I'm just going to roll up a few times. And then I'm going to twist and kind of space apart. This is what's going to give it that spiral. And then I'm going to roll up. And literally we're going to secure. That's how it looks. That's how it's gonna look. So I'm gonna do this other side for y'all, so y'all can see this other side. Y'all, and this is not easy. This is only my second or third time doing FlexiRod sets, and I still mess up. So it's literally a practice makes perfect type of thing. Literally. So let's do it on this side. Hopefully you can see. Add your cream. I hope y'all can see me, because it looked like my camera. Brush it through. And I'm gonna add some more cream at the bottom. Hopefully y'all can see on this side. Take your FlexiRod. You want to make sure the hair is smooth. You want it to be smooth, because if this tip not smooth, you doomed, right? Roll up twice and then literally spiral. 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 Now you see, once you get like right here, there's no more room to twist. So you just roll up. You don't want to twist so much and give yourself a headache. We don't want to do that. We don't want a headache. We don't want a headache. We don't want a headache. And then make sure it's secure. Yep. So I'm going to finish the back, and then I'll come back when we're on to the front. Okay, y'all. So I am halfway done with the front. This is what it looks like. And I did switch from the cream to this mousse. First of all, this mousse was laying my hair down better. So I did switch to a mousse. This is the Dew Mousse Def. And I just wanted to show y'all up close. What is this? FlexiRod in the front. Good job. So I'm going to show y'all how I do it with the mousse. And like I said, in the front, I use the smaller green ones to give me a tighter curl. And just take the FlexiRod so y'all can see up close. You want the ends to be smooth out. Roll it up and then literally spiral. And then roll it up. I'm just making sure that everything is rolled on the FlexiRod. Just roll it up and then secure. There you go. All right. I'm gonna put a bonnet on. I'm gonna go to bed, and then I'll be back in the morning. Okay, y'all. So it is the next morning. As y'all can see, I took a few of them out because I needed to do my makeup or whatever. But I am going to show you guys how I unravel. So I'm going to take my Mio Organics Mint Almond Oil. Y'all know this is my holy grail. I'm just going to use it on my hands just in case, you know, we don't want to snag anything. So I'm literally just going to open the FlexiRod and I'm going to unravel the opposite way that I rolled it. So I'm going to unravel it like this. And I'm going to do the same thing for this one. And this is just in case, you know, you don't want to have a lot of flyaways or frizz. So I just put oil on my hands to help me unravel. Okay, now I'm gonna take some more oil. I'm just gonna kind of put it all over them, and then I'm gonna start separating. So I'm literally just going to untwist in the direction that it was twisted in. The same way that we rolled it is the same way that we'll rub it around our fingers to separate and untwist. You can see I'm twisting it the opposite way. I don't care about frizz, so it's not a big deal for me. But if you do care about frizz and you don't want like a lot of frizz, just make sure that you take your time when you are unraveling your hair. I like big hair. I like frizz, so it doesn't really bother me or whatever. But I don't want a lot of frizz, if that makes sense. So this is what we're looking like so far, guys. Really, really cute.
I know you're smart, you spin me around like a knot. You know the pieces of my heart. Sometimes it's fun, you pull my strings one by one until you get me into one. Lately I've been thinking, if you want it tough, then let's play around. Lately I've been thinking, if you want it tough, then let's play around.
Okay, so it feels like everything is unraveled. So then I just shake. Okay, so you just want to pick until you get like your desired length. Like I said, I like my hair big. So I'm gonna pick big. I'm not picking the curls out. I'm literally picking my root and I'm lifting the hair. So when you pick, make sure you're not picking your hair out. I'm gonna take a little edge control. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. After you subscribe, hit the bell right next to the subscription button. That way you guys can get notifications every time I upload. If it is God's willing, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.